get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love you. The way you love, it changes who I am.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to another Plan With Me. For this week, it's a little bit different because it is my anniversary week, hence the opening. By the way, if you guys like that, I can link the full video. My brother-in-law was our videographer for our wedding, and he did an amazing job, so I will link that video below. Anyways, in today's Plan With Me, I'm not going to talk about the plans. I have a guest. Do you want to introduce yourself?
They've met me before, I think.
Okay, well, we have a returning guest. This is my husband, Shane.
Hi.
And he is here to do another Q&A with me. This one is a husband and wife Q&A. We've been married for 2 years.
2 years.
So we're going to ask each other some questions just to see how well we know each other.
So what are the rules?
Okay, the rules are we'll take turns asking these questions that I have here, and we both have to answer, okay? To the best of our abilities.
So it's not that one person is answering. We're both answering
We're
all
both-
of these questions.
Yes.
That's not... Okay. We'll do this.
Well, it's to see how well...
I thought I was doing one, you were doing one, but I don't know how this is going to work. So
It's to see how well we both know each other.
it's a list of questions we're both answering.
Yes.
But one of us has to read it.
Yes. It's just so they can hear you talk more.
Okay, I was wondering why these aren't hidden. I can read these right now. I see all the questions.
Yes, you do. Okay, so actually, you can read the first one.
What is your spouse's favorite color?
So what's my favorite color?
I asked you.
Well, we both have to answer.
Well, I'm the one who read it. You answer.
Okay, fine. Your favorite color changes a lot. So I think right now your favorite color is blue. It was green there for a minute.
You always have one golden standard color that you always go back to.
Right. And normally yours is either green or blue.
No, there's always one that, like, childhood favorite color that never changes.
Okay, green. Final answer.
Green. You're right.
Woohoo!
Yeah, even though I said it earlier. But yeah, that works. Purple for you.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. So, number 2, out of all of the restaurants we've eaten at, which one is your spouse's favorite?
What is your favorite? I know it's not Grand Buffet.
Grand Buffet is a Chinese buffet out here, and he loves it.
It's a great place.
It's not bad.
It's great. Anyways, your favorite restaurant. I'm gonna use our anniversary trip as because we went to Galveston.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna say Fisherman's Wharf.
Yeah.
Final answer.
Well, yeah. I mean, if we're talking like top tier, like if I could just no limit, absolutely.
Fisherman's Wharf.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good job.
It's good.
For you, okay, do we want to have like top tier and then like secondary, like, okay, we po folk and we need to save some,
yes.
Okay. So what's we po folk and we need to save some dollar bills.
Okay, that one I don't Are you talking like fast food?
Well, yeah, fast food, I guess. Fast-ish food.
I don't know. That changes for you too. I think right now it's Jersey Mike's.
That is absolutely correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love
Mike's
Jersey Mike's so much.
Not bad.
Okay, so for you, like if we're talking like top tier,
yeah, what you got?
You love Rainforest Cafe. Going back to our Galveston trip, or is that just the aesthetic?
It's not just the aesthetic. It's more of just the nostalgic factor.
So not the food.
The food's really, really good.
But it's not your favorite?
No.
Okay. All right. So my secondary choice would be...
I only ever get one thing there anyways.
That's true. Okay, let me think. It has to be a steakhouse of some kind. 1836.
What?
You always talk about 1836.
No.
That's not like your favorite,
No.
Okay. What is
You
it?
were on the right track.
Okay. So it is a steakhouse of some kind.
Yeah, I'm going to give you one more shot on this one. Cat?
It's not,
Go away.
Oh, he just wants to be involved.
I know, but...
Is
hit
it...
a button or something.
Okay. No, yeah, it's true. He'll hit a button.
Wow.
Would you give me... There's a lot... Because there's a lot of...
No,
Is it Roadhouse?
No!
What is it?
It's Country Inn.
Oh my gosh! Why
How
did
did you-
I even
It's not even... Like,
That's where
look.
we went when we got engaged.
I
Why
can't
didn't
even believe that you didn't get that one right. All right, so what's my low end?
That changes for
Cost.
you too.
Okay, well, what is it right now?
Right now, you want wings all the time, so I'm gonna say Wingstop.
You know, I'll give you that one. I do crave wings.
All
quite a
the
bit.
time.
Quite a bit.
Okay, right now, anyways.
Let's move on.
All right, number 3.
Oh, I gotta read it.
Yeah.
That's right. Well, let me turn this thing. Where is the one place your spouse wants to travel to but hasn't yet?
I've heard you talk about. Oh man, there's so many places you want to visit. I know you want to go back to like Colorado or something and go like snowboarding and stuff.
That would be fun.
Um,
Winter Park, Colorado was super fun.
Yeah. But you've traveled there already. I'm going to say you've never been out of the country, so I'm going to say like New Zealand.
Well, I have no desire at all to go to New Zealand.
Scotland.
I mean, that would be cool. Sure.
Because of Braveheart and everything.
I guess. Yeah. I
Or
don't
have you not really thought about that?
No, for me it's like wherever I go with the band would kind of be.
So you don't really have like a place.
I don't really have a just go big tour somewhere with the band.
So just anywhere.
I don't care. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I'm easy.
Well, so do I not get that one then?
No, you don't.
Okay.
New Zealand? What is that?
Well, that's somewhere
What's
new.
So? You just made up something random.
Maybe I did. Okay.
It's great though.
Where do I want to go?
Well, you've already been to Russia.
I have.
We don't talk about traveling anywhere. Let's be honest. Nobody talks about traveling.
We're such homebodies.
We don't want to go anywhere.
That's true. That's very true.
So, I'm gonna say New Zealand.
I mean, you're not wrong. I do want to go to New Zealand.
See, all you gotta do is just see.
Right.
All you're doing is answering your own questions for you.
Oh, maybe I am. Well, maybe.
See, at this point, I just gotta repeat whatever you say. And
Okay,
I'll get
no,
it right.
I'm not gonna do that anymore. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What's one thing your spouse makes to eat that you love?
I got to answer now.
Mm-hmm.
What's one thing that you make
That I make.
that I love?
Yes.
Not that I make that I know you love. Like I have to guess the thing that you love that I make the most. I feel like that makes more sense.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do that.
Because that's easy if I just answer what I like the most from you.
So
what is it that I make that you like the most? My steak.
that is absolutely you guys. Oh my gosh, this man. Okay, so during quarantine, whenever we couldn't go anywhere for our anniversary last year, he made steaks in our skillet.
Asparagus.
And, oh my gosh. My mom taught him how to do oven roasted asparagus with like this lemon butter
So
sauce
good.
and Parmesan cheese and everything that's unhealthy for you.
It's tasty.
With these I do the baked potatoes.
You do the baked potato.
But his steak, the flavor,
Mm-hmm.
so good.
Keep telling me how good I am.
You're so good. I love everything
All right.
about you.
All right, your turn.
Okay,
So what is it that you make that is my favorite?
Well, 100% all the time, I know I can make you chicken and pasta, and you absolutely adore it.
It's always good.
But that's not your favorite?
Well, I mean,
It's-
is it? You
it's-
got to make a final answer.
Okay, I can always bet and count on you wanting the chicken and pasta. So I'm going to say chicken and noodles. Final answer.
Yeah, I can go for that. That's fine.
Am I wrong? I'm not wrong about that.
No, it's just that everything you make is pretty good. It's hard to choose.
Aww. Guys, I have excelled in my cooking abilities. I couldn't cook when I was younger at all. Okay. Is it my turn to ask?
I don't remember.
Okay.
Yes, because I think you asked.
Who is your...
No. I think I asked.
Okay.
Or, no, you asked last. I'm going to ask, I think.
Go ahead.
And we're going to find out in the comments if we're right or wrong.
Yeah, right?
Which one?
Number 5.
5?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay, yeah. Sorry, we're this is all just one thing and my cat's hitting me. Who is your... Wait, what? Who is your spouse most likely on the phone with if it's not you?
You? Oh, gosh, that's a toss-up. Either Colin or my dad.
Yeah.
Like,
That's
I
pretty much
can
it.
almost guarantee it's either... Well, there's 3. It's either Colin, my dad, or your grandma. Those are the 3 people.
Yeah, that's pretty much... Those are the consistent ones I'm on the phone with.
Yep. What about me?
Oh my gosh. It could be Kristen.
Mm-hmm.
It could be your dad. Or probably Kiwi.
Yep.
Yeah.
Those are top 3.
Your turn.
Okay. Well, when did you know you were in love with your spouse?
Okay, is this another one of those ones where it's like I have to answer the way that I
No,
know,
you just
or I have to guess when you...
No, you answer you answer when you knew that you were in love with me. And then I'll answer when I knew I was in love with you.
It's probably after you made chicken and noodles the first time.
Guys, you get them with the cooking. That's how you do it.
Love starts from the stomach.
Love starts in the stomach.
What about you?
Is that your final answer for real? Are you kidding? Wait a minute. Wait.
Okay, calm down. I kind of want it to be just to play out the meme. So yeah, I'm gonna go final answer.
Do it for the meme.
Do it for the meme.
All right. Love starts in the stomach, y'all. Okay, I'll be the cheesy one then.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I won't. Do you want to know when I was like, man, I could marry this man? We had No. We had planned a date, and I was like, oh no, that was that time of the month, guys, and I didn't have any feminine products, and I was like, I can't go, I'm sorry. And he shows up to my house with a single tampon, and I was like, this man, I could marry this man. That's when I knew.
I'm so glad. Yep, that's what sealed the deal.
Oh, it was amazing.
All right. Is it my turn?
Yep.
What is your spouse's biggest pet peeve?
What's my biggest pet peeve?
I think it's probably the way that Zach Bagans says the word situation.
That's up there, but that's not my biggest pet peeve.
He says situation?
Situation, guys. We have a very serious situation.
And it's hilarious.
He also says towards. And
I think also doors that aren't totally closed.
Yeah. Oh my
Like if they're just
gosh.
kind of almost closed.
Or it's like if someone doesn't close they don't give it
They
enough.
open the door and they're like, hey, will you do this, this, and this? And you're like, yeah. And they're like, okay. And they close the door, but it doesn't click.
They don't give it enough oomph. You just got to give it that oomph.
Those are just up there, just off the top, off the dome. Before I really get into stuff that actually makes you angry, that's what I'll run with. Final answer. You don't like it whenever I ask you questions about shows or movies that we've never seen. How am I supposed to answer those?
It's like you get so annoyed because we'll sit down to watch it and I'll be like, so is this about this? And he's like, I don't know, babe. I've never seen it.
I've never seen this movie before, ever. We're sitting here watching it for the first time together. And I don't know what's I know as much as you do. Yep.
He's so patient with me until about the 3rd question. And then he's like, babe, I don't know.
I have no idea.
So I'm going to say either that or if if someone else uses your loofah.
That's not a pet peeve. That's a crime.
That's
That's like them's fighting words. That's fighting actions at least.
Yeah, no, he has to just
No, I'll tell you my own. It's when people touch my towel.
I was about to say the towel, like bathroom products. So like his loofah or his towel, like he'll sit there and make a big deal and be like, this towel right here on this hook in the bathroom, this is mine.
And I will know if it's in the same position or not. If someone has touched it, I'll take photos on my phone. I don't care. Whatever it takes. If it's even remotely damp, someone, they're going down.
I
man.
wish I could say that he was kidding. He's not. He's very like, do not touch my towel.
My towel is like my one thing. And doors. I'm the same with you. Doors.
Yeah, you gotta put the.
But the towel thing is
towel,
just unforgivable.
Yeah.
Who's up? Oh, you're up.
Am I?
Yeah, because I just did the pet peeve thing.
Okay.
I know, because it's pet peeve is fun to say.
What's your spouse's dream car?
Oh, gosh. Do you want me to say which one it was before?
Yeah, I don't care.
Wasn't it like a Mini Cooper?
I thought for the longest time I wanted a Mini Cooper. I thought they were so cute.
Ugh.
But nowadays my dream car is just
It's a Camry.
She's
already got her dream
car. It's paying off my Camry. That's what it is. It's just paying off my car. And yours is
what you got?
I want to say a 65 Mustang.
You do realize I don't know jack about cars, right?
You like Mustangs though.
I like Mustangs
you have
for the
said that
name.
you like the vintage.
I don't know anything about. Look, I most mechanically.
That's fine.
Like,
you don't have to be I know nothing about cars, but I know what looks good.
So, all right,
so he doesn't have a dream car.
I don't really care about cars.
Okay.
As long as it gets me from point A to point B.
We're very low maintenance around here.
Yeah, I don't care.
All right.
Oh, that was a quick one. What's one thing that irritates you about your spouse? Why are we doing this one? This is a bad idea.
Well, because we're gonna end it with a good one.
So, okay, you're up. I asked the question.
All right.
This is where it gets real, everybody.
I don't like that you leave your clothes on the bathroom floor when you go in to take a shower. Because then it prompts me to do the same thing, and then we end up with a pile of clothes on the bathroom
Well, now
floor.
it's just who came first, the chicken or the egg, okay? That's all I was going to say. Because I can say the same thing about you. Sometimes I go in there, I see your stuff, and I'm just like, okay, well, whatever. She's going to pick them all up anyway, so I'll throw mine down.
It's just an endless cycle.
So let's move on from this question.
Well, you have to answer about me.
I just did.
Fine. All right. Last one.
Oh, this is the last one? Okay.
Yeah.
You're up.
Oh, what's the best thing about being married to each other?
I don't have to worry about picking my clothes up off the floor in the bathroom. That's pretty nice.
I don't like that answer. I'm not letting you get away with that.
Dang it. Okay. Probably the chicken and noodles and the fun times that we have and the adventures we go on, and just every day is a mystery. I don't, it's always great, and I don't have to worry about the clothes on the bathroom floor.
My favorite thing is just being able to wake up next to my best friend and do a whole lot of nothing with you all the time. Forever. And with that concludes this Playing With Me. If you're new here, hey everybody, I'm Jen. I do planer things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.